Hello. We are unboxing. See back. Unboxing of Akimbo Welfare bags. I'm here with my assistant. Good morning, everybody. We are unboxing Akimbo Welfare bags for back to school operation. 70 children. So wish us the best. As we are opening this bag, we are connecting ourselves to the spirit. Yes, I'll do it carefully so that we don't spoil the bag because we might still need the bag afterwards. Believing God that next time the unboxing of these bags will be coming from one of our donors from abroad. Now I promise. Now so.
Yes.
Yes, so. All right. Okay. Woo. This is a good bag, man. This
Class 3.
That should be class 3, class 4, class 5.
I think.
Woo! And see how God does things. Green is our color, our company color, green and white. And the first bag that came out is green.
The next is purple.
The next is purple. See our company color. Woo! God, oh! God, oh!
So the first 2 bags.
Wow! See, they're beautiful bags. Solid. This is so good. This is. Are you seeing that? Akimbo Welfare. Oh, back to school. Oh. No, easy. Woo! See a small nursery. Wow. God is a good God. A child will be smiling to school this year. Thanks to all our donors from abroad and at home. Thank you.
As you get to know, you talk say I don't be your class. Take my chap on now, be done the waka waka pass. Mong me very well, I don't say I don't be your class. And you got the boy like say it in a photo pass. Very well, come on, what you can remember. Very me, you can remember. I'm both 20 nigga day, I'm who I am fair. I'm around of me, where I am fair.
Woo! Akimbo Welfare! Thank you to my donors. Thank you. Thank you so much. This, we went to the market and we got these bags. The other day we saw books and we got these bags to add to the books for the Operation 70 IDP children for back to school. I want to say thank you so much to our donors. Thank you so much to those who have been able to dip their hands in their pockets, who have believed in the mission, who have trusted me and trusted my team with the responsibility of putting a smile on the faces of 70 families this back to school year in the Western region. I want to say thank you so much for your support. Books we are done with. Bags, I don't know if the bags are up to 70 because I lost count at some point, but if they are not up to 70, we're going to try to see if we can fill it up to 70. And then next thing we want to target now is uniforms and some other items. We are still believing God that the other items, alongside with my assistant and other members that will support us to get what other necessary needs we can add to make back to school for our IDP children wonderful, exceptional, so that they can be able to learn to read and write and empower themselves tomorrow. God bless you, everybody. Love you. My name is Irene Barra, and we are right here on Akimbo Welfare. Thank you. Bye-bye. Promise. And with my assistant, promise. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao. God bless you.